Welcome. The video we have today is about the National Center for Biotechnology Information. The National Center for Biotechnology Information is known by the acronym NCBI. It is a part of the National Institutes of Health's United States National Library of Medicine. The American government has approved it and provided the funding. It is located in Bethesda, Maryland, and was founded in 1988 through legislation sponsored by U.S. Congressman Court Pepper. David Lipman, a well-known name in bioinformatics and one of the original creators of the BLAST sequence alignment program, served as the director of NCBI. It advances science and health by providing access to biomedical and genomic information. The NCBI is a valuable source for bioinformatics tools and services and is home to a number of databases pertinent to biotechnology and biomedicine. GenBank, a database of DNA sequences, and PubMed, a bibliographic database of biomedical literature, are examples of important databases. The NCBI Epigenomics database is among the other databases. Through the Entrez search engine, all of these databases are accessible online. In addition to its databases and articles, NCBI also offers software tools that can be accessed via FTP or web browsers. For instance, the sequence similarity searching program BLAST. In less than 15 seconds, BLAST can compare DNA sequences against the GenBank database. As a national resource for molecular biology information, NCBI's mission is to develop new information technologies to aid in the understanding of fundamental molecular and genetic processes that control health and disease. For more concepts, don't forget to subscribe to Bioscholar and also press the bell icon to get timely notification of every new video. Thanks for watching.